How do you quickly retarget motion capture animations to an armature in Blender? Here I have a spacesuit armature that's in T-pose, but it doesn't have any animation on it. I want to use an animation armature that I captured with motion capture with the motive and OptiTrack system and then have it go onto this character in Blender. How do I do that? First, let's import our motion capture animation. Go to File, Import, FBX. Navigate to where your motive motion capture animations are, select the one you want to import, and then the most important step is under Armature, make sure you select Automatic Bone Orientation. If you don't do this, it will come in and be all messed up. Select Import FBX. Now we have the FBX imported, but how do I get this FBX to control this armature? We can use a Rokoko plugin in Blender to do that. Press N on your keyboard to bring out this window, then select Rokoko. If you don't have the Rokoko plugin installed, I have a link in the description showing you how. Down here, we have retargeting. Before we retarget, we want to reset this animation. So I'll pause, go back to frame 1, select this motion capture animation armature that you're going to use for retargeting, then select Pose, and go to the rest position. Notice that now this motion capture animation that we'll use for retargeting is in a T-pose, just like our character. Now I need to select the source armature. I'll select this armature. Then for the target armature, I'll select this armature. Then I'll build the bone list. If I look down here, because I selected the armatures with the eyedropper and they have very similar names, most of the bones are already lined up. If this isn't the case, it's very simple. For example, if I didn't have right shoulder selected, I could just search for shoulder and then select right shoulder. So hopefully you have similar names in your armatures for motion capture, but if you don't, it's easy to redo. Then if I scroll down in the Rokoko Studio plugin for Blender, I can select auto scale or scale them myself. And then I want to select if it's in the rest pose or a current pose. Since we're in the rest T-pose, I'll leave it at rest and then retarget the animation. Notice that everything jumped away from the origin. That's because Motive tracks everything from an origin. Now if I press N to hide that and I press play, check it out. We have retargeted motion capture animation. Hopefully this allows you to retarget your motion capture animation from Motive and OptiTrack systems into your armatures and characters inside Blender. Happy 3D modeling and motion capture.